Alright guys, so I just got home from school and I ordered a Epic Pandemonium deck in matte black, 20.9 long by 4.75 wide. That's what all the things are. But yeah, so it just came today, and hopefully, well, I am actually going to get an unboxing for you. So let's get to the package, I guess. We're gonna open it from the top. It literally feels like nothing's in here.
Don't get foggy, by the way. It's a bad idea. Alright, next. Part. Then this part. This is very dull.
We got my oversized SCS bar adapter. And then right here, we got my undialed grip tape. I don't know why the logo is all the way at the top, but it's undialed. Right here, we got my undialed sticker, because this, if you can't tell, matches Epic Pandemonium box. I'm so happy right now. And then here's like the little order form. Just the Pandemonium. It's so light. Oh my. Ah. Here it is. This is such a nice deck. At the bottom obviously says Epic Pandemonium right there. Literally no scratches obviously because it's completely new. Here's the deck ends, the break, all that good stuff. Head tube has tons of cutouts to make it look lighter, or feel lighter. And then as you can see, there's a cutout right there too. And this is a light deck, let me tell you. All right, so I'm gonna get this gripped up and then yeah, we're gonna go ride it. I think it looks amazing. Sheesh! Looks so nice. It's so light too, like, just, oh, there's like nothing to it. So, yeah, let's get some riding clips. All right, first dial trick, here we go. Pretty good. All right, so it is the next day, and the last clip was the dial check. And it was kind of undialed because I didn't dial the brake, but I dialed the brake. Here we go. So we are gonna get some riding clips. Let's go. A bri flip. Let's go. Double whip. Umbrella. A finger whip. All right, so I'm gonna give this deck a rating 10 out, or I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10 because most people I saw use this deck have cracked it in the back right here. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated, see if it cracks, see how long it cracks, how long till it cracks, I mean. But, and why I gave it a 9.5 is because it's just a great light deck. It's not too expensive. Like, it's not no Apex $300. It's only $200. Well, it's only $99.95. So it's pretty good. But yeah, that's gonna end the video there. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.